Hi, I'm Mariam Yusuf, a Year 3 BLA student, and I recently won an award by Participate in Design, which is also known as PID, and I won a project for that is influenced by community engagement. So my Year 2 Sem 2 project, which is titled Heart of Gold, is basically the rejuvenation of Queenstown ActiveSG Swimming Complex, and it is influenced by the community engagement we did during the studio. And the aim of the project is to solve the flooding problem within my site that occurs, and using sustainable measures and kind of creating inclusive spaces and promoting intergenerational relationships through fresh natural swimming pools and freshwater swamps. So when I took part in this competition, I honestly had no expectations. I just wanted a certificate of participation and I would have been very happy. But I think being recognized for my hard work and my effort during that semester made me feel really grateful, humbled, and I really hope this award kind of serves as a motivation. I think it does get very exhausting and tiring, but at the end of the day it's also very rewarding when you're finally done with your project, and you get to present it and you're just happy that it's completed. So yeah, thank you.